Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Working on the 2012 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to be replacing the fog lights. So I'll show you here real quick. As you can see, it's still there. It's fell back inside the bumper there, but it's because it's broken, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace it with a brand new one, and then I'll just go ahead and replace this side as well because it came with two. And then I also got this piece here, which is going to be the fake chrome, because the other side's missing this ring, and I don't know what happened to that. So I'll just go ahead and replace both of these as well. So over here on the passenger side, looking here, you can see, you can get access to it back in here. You can see it hanging there, just fell back in there. But I think for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and go underneath, jack it up, and remove the skid plate so you guys can get a better angle. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go on the pinch weld here. You can see this little arrow. Put my jack under here if you guys decide to jack it up here. And then I'm just going to place a jack stand right here. Try not to damage that plastic. It's kind of like that, and just slowly lower it. Like I said, just make sure you don't damage that plastic too much there. So just like that, I'll go ahead and jack up the other side real quick here. Alright guys, so like I said, you probably don't have to jack it up. I'm just doing this to get a better camera angle. But you're going to want to, let's try and remove this skid plate here. As you can see, I'm missing quite a few screws. But it looks like Torx T25. And go ahead and start pulling some of those. And let's go ahead and see if we can get this out of here. Alright, so as you can see, there's my old fog light. And you can see this tab's broken that holds the screw on for this side. Same with down here. So let's go ahead and pull this. You can pull the light, or you can just undo the harness here. So what you'll do is you'll squeeze these two tabs here. You'll go out with it, and it should come right off. And if you need to, you can use a screwdriver as well. Just like that. Alright, so looking up here, you can see you got two Torx T25 screws we need to remove, and that's where the plastic broke on these. So let's go ahead and pull those. So this one's kind of hard to get a socket with the Torx T25 because your washer fluid reservoir gets in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and use this here. So there's what that looks like. And then since I'm replacing this whole piece here, I'm going to pull this out as well. So you can see you got like a little locking tab there. And then over here on this other side, same thing. So go ahead and lift up on this and kind of pull out with it. And you can see this whole thing just comes right out. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our new lights. Came with two brand new lights, the little outer area here. And also came with all this wiring stuff, which I think some of the Focuses didn't have fog lights, but they had the insert. So if you wanted to wire them up yourself, I guess you could do that. But I got this whole kit off Amazon for like 40 bucks is all. And these are just the chrome ones. Like I said, I was missing, there was a chrome ring that goes around this, I guess, but this is a titanium model. So I guess it has the black with the chrome. But I couldn't find any of those, so I just went with all chrome ones here, or fake chrome. And here's the old fog light. And then compare it to the new one here. You can see it pretty much matches up. Not sure on the quality of it, but for 40 bucks, who cares? And then you can see it also comes with a new light as well. So let's go ahead and stick this on real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and stick this up in here. And there is a right and a left side. You just want to make sure the lettering is faced the right way. So go ahead and stick this in here, and it should just snap right in. So just like that. All right, so go ahead and grab your new light, and then you can see you got these little tabs here, one on the bottom right corner, one on the left. So those will go into these two holes here. So go ahead and get this up in here. And you may have to press that in a little bit there to get those tabs in correctly. So like that. Grab your two screws. Once you get those tightened, let's go ahead and plug in the bulb here. Just like that. Alright guys, and I forgot to mention, so if you need to adjust these fog lights here, you can just turn this knob either way to adjust them. Alright guys, so this side's a little bit harder to get to because you got this right in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this light bulb first. So you just pull it towards you, and then pull out. And then of course these tabs here. See if we can pull that off. And then go ahead and loosen up your Torx T25 screws here. And this one you got to kind of just feel for it. It's kind of hard to see up in there. Then kind of the same thing, lift up on these tabs. And then just pull that out of there. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. So you see how this one has that chrome piece on it. So I think it's only the titanium models that have the black with the chrome ring, but I'm not too worried about it. So we'll just go ahead and put this one on. Go ahead and snap that one in. And again, go ahead and plug your light in. All right, let's go ahead and try and see if they work. All right, so I think we gotta have the key just on for the fog lights. So turn that on, and let's go ahead and turn our lights on, and then see if our fog light comes on. There we go. Let's take a look. And as you can see, headlights are working. And there's our fog lights. So we should be good. Then go and get your skid plate back on. And then go ahead and remove your jack stands. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the video. Again, this was a 2012 Ford Focus. Went ahead and replaced both fog lights and the outer trim surrounding them. Not too bad of a job. I think you guys could probably get by without having to jack it up. I just prefer to jack it up, give you a little more room in there to see where them screws are and everything. And hopefully these hold up. Not sure yet, but we'll see. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I did just buy this car, so I'll probably have quite a few videos coming out in the future. So look for those once I get them uploaded and everything. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.